Hello everyone, and welcome back to my channel. This is Laura with Stitching with Laura. How's everybody doing? I hope everybody is having a great day. Well, today is part 2 of my review for the VIP Cross Stitch store. And if they have any specials or any discount codes, or if I have any, they'll be right in here and in the description box below. So let's take the first one off the top. They are both Joy Sunday kits. So let's take a look. Come in the lovely Joy Sunday bag that we all know and love. They're really perfect for these smaller kits. You know, you can put them back in it. They're practically indestructible as far as I'm concerned. All right, so this is the first one. It's called Butterfly and Paeonia. And it also says Butterfly and Peony in the description. 31 by 33, $7.60. 14 count. Does have some backstitch in it, but I just loved all the colors in this. It's just absolutely beautiful. And real spring-like. Oh my goodness, look at all that backstitching. It's not very big. Does that help? Oh, geez. It's 129 by 140. And let's see how many thousands of colors we have. We have 2 sets of numbers. Top set goes to the paper pattern. Bottom set goes to the canvas. So we have full stitch, half stitch, and back stitch. No French knots in this. Amazing with all those flowers. So you can add whatever you want. Let's see. We have no 310 black in this. We no 823. No 939. They're using 3371 as the dark color. And we have B5200 for the white. A lot of half cross stitch. 2, 4, 6, 8, 10, 12, 14, 16, 18, 20, 22, 23 colors in half cross stitch. Holy cow. Yeah, this will be fun. But that's mainly your background and other, you know, little places, so that's kind of okay. Whoops, sorry, didn't mean to hit the camera there. Let's get out those colors. It does come on the lovely thread card that I like. Tells you all the information. It does have, I'm going to fold that down so I don't jam it in my hand. 2 needles. But a wide variety of pinks and purples. Got some purplish blue. Beautiful. There's your 3371. It'll make a nice dark color. And your B5200 is here on the end. And we do have 3865, which is another form of white. I don't... it's kind of got a little brown in it, maybe? I don't know. I've never been able to figure that out, so yay. And we have 902, which is a brick red. And 777, which is a brick red as well. But beautiful, gorgeous, gorgeous colors. There's not a whole bunch because, you know, it's a partial. And it's 14 count. Let's see what that... I'm going to move this other one up and out of my way. Whoop, got to get it going in the right direction. Very nicely printed. Has not been wet. You have all your half cross stitches running down here. And your regular ones coming around. And then just a little bitty space for your back stitches. Let's see. And it's kind of on an off-white color of Ada. 30.5 centimeters or 12 inches by 13 inches or 33 centimeters. The actual picture is 10 inches or 25.5 centimeters by 23.5 centimeters or 9.25 inches. So very nicely done. I'll hold this up so you can tell how clear the symbols are. But yeah, for under $10, I think it's a great kit. It's going to have a little bit of confetti, but for the most part, things are in swirls and rivers of color. You're going to get a few, when you get into details, that's where that confetti comes in. So I don't think that's going to be a problem. The only problem today is which one of these I'm going to start. So we have another one. Now this one is 34 by 43, if I can get it out of the bag. So it's a little bit bigger, but it is still a partial. Whoop. But I just thought that bird was lovely. Those roses are gorgeous. So there's not a whole, there's probably less stitching surface on this than the other one. The other one's more condensed and in a center ring. But yeah, isn't that beautiful? Look at that bird and how delicate the shading is on his breast. Just beautiful. It is 149 stitches by 195. And we're going to have back stitching. I'm sorry, I couldn't hardly talk. Back stitching around in the flower, on the stems. But it's mostly straight line back stitching. So that's good. A little bit, you know, detail in the bird, but not a whole bunch. So yeah, cool. Let's take a look at the colors. Now there is only one set of numbers. So this will match a paper pattern. So the paper pattern does not match the canvas. We have a total of 71 colors. We have 310 black. No, 550 purple, of course. No 823. No 9. We do have 939. No 3371. We have that pewter color of 3799. We have 3865 and B5200. So this has full stitch, back stitch, and half stitch. So not nearly as many half stitches as the last one, thank goodness. So yeah, I don't think it'll be bad at all. Let me get the threads out here. And we have 3 thread cards here. Let's see if I can get them separated. It comes on the same kind of thread card with 2 needles. Let me just lay it down, it'll be easier. Beautiful greens, kind of a dark coral, kind of a dark rose right next to it over here. Here's your 3865 and B5200. So if you can tell the difference between those two, you know, go for it. But we have lots of oranges and reds. Mostly orange to the peach tones. Beautiful. There is that dark, dark blue. It suffices as, and there's the pewter color. So not a lot of threads for, you know, anything. This has kind of the most, so it's mostly used. But it does tell you how many threads you have of each. So you've got 4 strands on that and 3 strands on that. So those are your predominant colors in this, and everything else is just playing kind of second fiddle. But beautiful, beautiful colors. Peaches. I'll put them all together. You know. So not a lot of dark red like 666 or 321 or 498. But yeah, very nice. And let's take a look at that canvas. So it is a bigger picture, but the surface may be the same as the other one, but it's just kind of strung out more. You have, I'm going to fold that in half maybe, if I can get a hold of it. So you have your back stitching here, half cross. This is the rest of your numbers. They are just a little blurred, a little bit small, but yeah. But I mean, the canvas itself does not look like it's been wet or anything. but you can see the symbols very, very clearly. And you can look on your paper pattern to join back in as to what you are doing. But very nicely done. But those symbols just run all the way from on the short side all the way down the long side. I'm going to keep it in this direction to measure it because it's kind of wide. Or, well, tall, I guess. And it, too, is on, whoops, wrong side, on a off-white Aida. So I'd say 17¼ inches or, oh, a little over 43½ centimeters by 34 centimeters or 13½ inches. The actual picture size is a little over 10½ inches or 27 centimeters. And this way it's 14 inches or 35½. So it would fit in an 11 by 14 frame. That's what I was looking for. Because here's your 11. Be a little wider this way, but it will fit in the 14-inch frame. So very nice. Very nice. I'm pleased with absolutely both of these. And that is all that I got this week and last week from VIPCrossStitch. Thank you so much. Now, VIPCrossStitch has cross-stitch, of course, and beaded embroidery, silk embroidery, not embroidery, silk cross-stitch, sorry, beaded embroidery as well. Tools and crafts for all of that. They only have cross-stitch, so no diamond painting or paint by number. They always have great prices, great customer service, and lots of choices for everybody. Thank you so much for watching today. If you liked this video, please give it a thumbs up. Don't forget to subscribe, and please hit the bell. That way you'll know when my next video comes out. Stay safe, stay healthy. We'll see you next time. God bless. Bye-bye.